Bulavinaka Fiji, welcome to your favorite and number one show. This is Jejemon. I trust you are having a great evening from whatever part of the country you're joining me from on FBC TV. If you're tuning in online via the Walesi app and from around the world via our YouTube channel, thank you for your company. This is our 279th episode on our 6th year on FBC TV. Now this week, we meet one of the friendliest and down-to-earth Tongans. Aside from her beautiful smile, stellar wardrobe and fun personality, she holds a rather important role in our country. She is the wife of New Zealand's High Commissioner to Fiji, and when she's not running her household, she's hosting charitable functions, meeting with important dignitaries, Kiwis, business obligations, and the list goes on. So when she had a moment to spare, she sat down with me at her beautiful home here in the capital to talk about her style, fashion likes, and interesting facts. Check out my interview with Fololeni Curr.
Nisambura Vinaka, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, and Malo Lele. I am Fololeni Curr. I hail from the Kingdom of Tonga. I'm here in Fiji as the wife of the New Zealand High Commissioner, Jonathan Curr, and loving every moment being here in Fiji, the learnings and appreciating my Pacific Islandness. I'm always a fan of hats. So my killer look would always be, if I could make it or design it, would be, a big sun hat, a long jacket, pants, and high heels. I never leave home without my brightest lip, because a girl needs her bright lips. I tend to like email because you don't miss information when you have it documented. Oh, this is a hard one because I think Fiji's got lots of beautiful designers, beautiful local designers, and I think Fiji has set the benchmark for the rest of the Pacific. It's not in a competition kind of way, but in an encouraging kind of way. So having said that, I wouldn't say I have one particular favorite fashion designer because, for example, from the Samson Lee to the Seabird to the H Mountain to the Soldier, they all have different things to offer, and the Hub Belt, of course. So that would probably be my 5 best favorites. Oh, first of all, there will be Samson Lee. Every time I go into that shop trying to buy something for someone, I end up buying 3 things for myself. It's not very good when I'm in a budget. So I try and save some of my stuff to go buy stuff. Because if I end up going into that shop, I always come up with like, yeah, I didn't plan on buying 3 things. And my husband's like, what? Where did you buy these? What's in this credit card? What did you shop? It's like, well, I was supposed to go buy a present for this person. And I ended up seeing 3 things that I like. And I bought something for you and me. Turkey, Israel and Egypt. My say and my flower crown. You can never go wrong. Because I think I speak to a lot of Pacific Island girls. They would never feel complete until they have a flower in their hair. Those MC Hammer pants. They're not very flattering for a Pacific Island girl with big hips, right? It emphasizes it some more. So when you keep seeing it and it's like, yeah, it only does one good thing, is when you do the MC Hammer dance. Other than that, it's just awful. I think almost actually everyone looks good in a black shirt. Especially men. And I think because black is such a slimming color, that when men or women wear it, it's just quite elegant, but very slimming and very smart. So it's nice when actually my husband wears a black shirt. It's like, heart in my eye. Georgia, Tbilisi, only because that the country that surprised me the most. And it's behavior, it's people's mentalities like the Pacific Islanders. Guest are next to God. I think everyone should own compassion and a conscious mind, because we all need to be responsible for each other. Ooh, that's a no-brainer. That'll be Michelle Obama. I'd love to meet her one day. It's our happiness in our hearts as Pacific Islanders, because we're natural givers of joy. Because even in our toughest issues, we still tend to use humor to approach it. But and I think it's a coping mechanism. But at the same time, we might use it as humorous, but we still deliver the message. And that's another no-brainer question. Audrey Hepburn have always been my favorite style icon. Oh my gosh, do not laugh. I wanted to be a nun. It's never boring here. You know, there's always something to do. There's always fun things to do, worthy causes to be involved in, and love, and there's fashion that you can work with as well. I've always been a Kiehl's friend, which is a Kiehl's fan, because it's an American product. It doesn't really use a lot of fragrances, which tends to work well with my skin. But when I'm here in Fiji, actually makes me rethink about fragrances. Pure Fiji is really good. It's people. It's people, it's history, and it's monarchy. And there's these 4 pillars that us Tongans based our values on, and basically it describes who we are as Tongans, and we try and be to behave in these 4 pillars, which are respect, humility, love, and gratitude or reciprocity. Mahalo nele Fiji. Hokinga ko Fololeni Curr. I'm Fololeni Curr, and I'm keeping it Cheche in Jejemon.
Fololeni Curr, the beautiful wife of New Zealand's High Commissioner to Fiji, Jonathan Curr, chatting to me about her style and fashion likes at their beautiful residence here in the capital. Malo aupito Fololeni for your time and inviting us into your home. Right, time for a short break. Next we meet the hottest model breaking out on the international scene and who happens to come from New Zealand. Find out more about her next. See you soon.